Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week is going to help you start using English on a regular basis and helps you keep yourself accountable. No, you can't become fluent in 7 days. And no, you can't become a perfect English speaker from level 0 in 7 days. Hope that's clear because I don't want to mislead you here. However, if you can understand English and you can read English, but you are stuck when speaking, then you can break through this plateau. And 7 days is a minimal time frame for achieving this. They say that to build a habit, you need to do something for 30 days straight. And speaking is a basically a habit. So guys, if you want to build a solid habit, you can do what I'm about to suggest you that do for 30 days. It will be even better if these 7 days are going to be like a super intensive training program to help you gain confidence, and they will do the trick. Also, to be able to speak, you will need to speak a lot and put in a lot of work. I am not going to talk about some woo woo crap like learning English in your sleep. I'm going to give you some real and worthwhile suggestions that really can that be applied to truly enhance your speaking abilities, but also the ones that requires your full involvement and investment. And I also suggest that you make use of most of these and utilize these 7 days to the fullest. They should be intensive or even extreme. For starters, I will give you some free suggestions. Exercise number 1: practice tongue twisters every day, as you want each the point when your mouth doesn't listen to you anymore. And the point of using tongue twisters will be to warm up your face muscles and get ready for speaking. But you can also use just some random sentences for this purpose. And all we need is just to warm up and do this for, let's say, 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes in the morning or before speaking. All right. And let's talk about exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is shadowing. Absolutely. You might hate it, but you need to do. Choose your favorite actor, actresses, talk show host, or movies, or choose 30 seconds of some monologues or dialogue and then shadow it. So, guys, if you want to see an example of shadowing, you can click the link up here and it's a step by step tutorial. The reason I love shadowing so much is not only do you work on your pronunciation and intonation, but yes, also on vocabulary and grammar and sounding more natural in English. All right, so you can do the practice at least 10 to 20 minutes. All right, every day. Now let's talk about exercise number 3. This is questions. Just find some common small talk or interview questions online and answer them. All right. You can even find example answer to give you an idea. All right. Or if you want, you can just record yourself and answering them. All right. But I highly recommend that it's going to show you your weak spots and you will be able to analyze your performance. All right. And guys, notice that most common mistakes and you make, and you will be able to analyze your pronunciation. This exercise takes you approximately 30 minutes every day, and you know to think of an answer to answer and to work in your mistakes. All right, these options are free and the one you can do on your own. However, as practice shows, people don't really commit to doing free stuffs on their own. All right, so that's why I want to give you some paid options, because when people pay money for something, they really commit because they really want to get a bang for their buck and they really put an effort so as not to waste their money. It is what it is. You can just try Camly, Lingoda, or iTalki. Guys, these are just my suggestions. On these platform you can work one on one with the teachers as well as in groups. And I personally like one on one lessons because it's better. You can you get a teacher all of yourself and you can them tell them about your needs and work on those specific things. All right, use usually such as lessons are 1 hour long, I think so. And you can work with your language coaches. All right, if you don't feel confident when speaking, don't feel authentic and struggle, with the fear of speaking English. There is the influency community on Facebook, and they have lots of different daily activities, including recording yourself, speaking, and speaking clubs. All right. So, guys, you can participate in speaking clubs. You can find a speaking partner here down below in the comments and ask people arrange meeting every day for 1 week. All right. Don't know how what to talk about with your partner, right? I have found a couple of apps especially to help English learners with speaking, like Elsa. I can just give you example. Learn English by conversation, to speak English conversation, and speak English practice. I haven't used them myself through. I have seen ads about that, about Elsa, and it seemed like cool apps. And I'm planning on using a bunch of different apps for learning English, and I will then give you my review on them. All right. So stay tuned for that. If you have used any of these, please share your thoughts with us in the comment section for the next viewers. So, guys, there is much more options you can try these days. You can find apps, online schools, courses, particularly for yourself. Now, I know it is hard to find one specific program that is going to satisfy your needs, but at least you can try out my suggestions and create your own little program that is going to specially suits you. All right. If you decide to make it intensive, which you really should, then it's going to look something like this, like tongue twister for 10 minutes, shadowing for 20 minutes, answering questions for 30 minutes. That is learning in an app for 20 minutes, having lessons with a teacher or coach for 1 hour. So speaking with your speaking partner for 1 hour, and participating in a speaking club for 1 hour. So, guys, it's going to take your approximately 4 hours a day intensive, yes, but you will see an incredible breakthrough in your speaking. If you don't have that much time, you can try half of that or some of that. All right, at least something you can just take it or leave it. But, guys, I think in this case you have nothing to lose. All right, only to gain. Also, I suggest that you don't concentrate on grammar during this time, but rather than getting used to using English. But if your main problem is grammar right now, and when you are speaking you're making a lot of mistakes, then work on grammar with your teacher. And you can find grammar exercises online also there in many platforms. All right. So there is one thing that I wanna mention you something here. So, guys, it takes sometimes to see and evaluate a real results after such intensive trainings, but because at the end of program you feel exhausted, your brain is tired. But when your brain calm down, you can really appreciate the progress you made every day. And that's gonna be it for this video. Hope this information is useful for you. Use it, improve yourself, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you found this video beneficial. Then share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.